Tim Martin, posting U.S. Army, documenting the death of the Pacific Ocean. So here we go. Half-pound steelhead, October 1, Rogue River. So we're at 289 half-pound steelhead. The 10-year average would be 2,350. That is within the 10 years, so that's 14 years after Fukushima. And here's the graph. Should be easy to understand. That's a 10-year average there for this time. And here we are. Very clear that the ocean is in some kind of crisis. And I think it's the biggest issue in the world. I know Kevin does. I do. So there you go. The Rogue River for the year was 289. 10-year average is 2,350. Traditionally, it would be 15,000 half-pound steelhead on the Rogue River, the major rivers on the West Coast.